Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to show cash on delivery only for some products. For all other products, it will be disabled or hidden, right? So for this, I'm using the Nex Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. After installing the app, you can see a section in the home screen, limit cash on delivery. So you can click on this configure button, enable the global rule. Then the first step is select your cash on delivery payment method, right? And the next step is optional if you already have any fee for cash on delivery, which is already done using this app. You can select those delivery method which is related to cash on delivery only. If you don't have any cash on delivery fees, you can skip this particular section. So next thing is we setting the rule based on product. So you can enable this one. Then we need cash on delivery only for some products. So clicking this, allowing COD only for the selected products. So I'm selecting two of the products. So I'm selecting this one and this one. For these two only, I need cash on delivery. And I'm making it saved. Perfect. So now the rules are saved. I'm just copying one of the name and I'm just going to the online store. I'm reloading it once. I'm trying to purchase this one. So if I try to buy now, it should not have a cash on delivery payment method. So if you go and check, yeah, there is no cash on delivery payment method for this particular product. And if I try to purchase one which we marked as we need cash on delivery, I'm clicking off buy now, right? So in this case, you can see cash on delivery is available. So this is how you can easily show cash on delivery only for some products, right? One limitation from here is if you need to give more than 10 or 20 products, the rule will break. That's a limitation from Shopify side. So in those cases, you can use the collection settings or the product tag sections. That should be perfect. We'll be covering these two videos in our upcoming videos. You will be able to see it in later. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.